Hey there, medical fans. I've got a short but sweet video for you today. It's about a useful tool called a comedone or blackhead extractor. So take a look at some clips of blackheads being squeezed, both with and without an extractor, while I give you some info and tips about using these things, and we'll throw a link in at the end if you'd like to get one for yourself. Blackheads are clogged pores that are still open at the top. Whiteheads are closed comedones, and it's best to leave those alone, although some people lance and then pop them. The extractor works best with blackheads because ideally you don't want to break the skin. This can sometimes lead to scarring or secondary infections. Usually these tools are used by dermatologists, but if you're careful, they can be bought and effectively used at home. A couple tips. Don't push too hard because you could still break the skin. You may want to wash or steam your face before using the extractor to help loosen the pores. Always make sure your extractor is clean before and after using, so you don't spread bacteria. It's helpful to wash your face afterwards as well. Finishing with cold water will help shrink your pores back down. A lot of people that have extractors really enjoy using them, but it's good to be responsible and not overuse them as well. So there you go, the basics of comedone extractors. As you can see, they're definitely easier and safer than using your fingers. So if you want to get one for yourself, check out the link below. It's actually a really nice kit with several different extractors. So check it out, and thanks for watching.